Identity operators in Python, is and is not, determine if two variables reference the same object in memory. Unlike equality operators, which compare values, identity operators focus on object identity. Is returns true if variables share the same memory location, while is not confirms they reference different objects, even with identical values. Identity operators in Python, is and is not, determine if two variables reference the same object in memory. Is returns true if they share identical identity, while is not confirms they reference different objects. This differs from equals equals and not equals, which compare values, not object identity. Understanding object identity is crucial in Python. Each object has a unique memory address, and variables act as references. Two variables may have equal values, but point to different objects. Identity testing uncovers relationships hidden from equality checks, especially with mutable types or singletons like none, true, and false. Use is for identity, equals equals for values. In Python, object identity is crucial. Consider x equals open bracket 1, 2, 3 close bracket and y equals x. Here, x is y returns true, indicating both reference the same memory location. Conversely, x equals open bracket 1, 2, 3 close bracket and y equals open bracket 1, 2, 3 close bracket results in x is y returning false, as they are distinct objects. Remember, equals equals checks content equality, while is checks memory identity. Creating two lists with identical contents, list A and list B, results in separate memory allocations. While list A equals list B returns true, indicating value equality, list A is list B returns false, confirming distinct object identities. The ID function further verifies this by showing different memory addresses for each list.